Hello everyone, welcome to another podcast. Today I am going to speak about the mountain ranges. We must all heard about Himalayas, but I am going to tell you the future. What will be the biggest and the longest range of mountains which you will see? Geologist at Utrecht University offers a very wide range of study regarding the glimpse of the distant future. I am not talking about this future about recent, but a distant future. That means we might not be alive to see all these events, but these events would happen. These are the Somalia mountains, the largest mountains. The ranges will form which will be longest and the highest than even Himalayas. The range you will never see because the Somalia continent will collide with the regions of Mumbai, Goa, Gujarat and Kerala. These mountains don't exist yet, but it will form eventually in coming futures. The next 200 million years. Many of you will be saying that Mr. Naidu or Naidu sir is getting a mad scientist or mad teacher who is talking about 200 million years. But what I am talking is somewhat which is a reality and it will happen. Let's go back into the time first. Let's understand how mountain ranges are formed. The earth as we know it today was not the same as it was. We all have read in geography. Looked very different in the geological past. Millions of years ago, the supercontinent Pangaea, it was being subdivided into many tectonic plates due to tectonic divisions and the instabilities in our core. Broke up into several tectonic plates. These plates started to move along the plates and boundaries at so-called subduction zones. These zones are unique and these zones are constructed as per the requirements. One plate moves below another, the upper plate, which generates an earthquake. The earthquake can be of various Richter scale. The highest ever recorded in our history of Earth is 9.5. The next one will be more than 9.5. It may range to 11 and also 12.5 as per the studies. Can get squeezed together and the rocks are formed. The lower part can be scrapped off, like creating huge mountains, valleys, and the depths are huge. The massive mountain ranges all over the world are due to this subdivisional and tectonic plate movements. It is never ending process and it will happen every millions of years ago. So in 200 million years ago, you will observe all these things. The Utrecht geologists have been now dedicated and decided to calculate the exact time and exact date regarding this event in the coming future. So it's a long way we need to live. So many of us will not be here, but the future generations, if they survived, they would see this kind of unique event. I would not say catastrophic, I would say unique event. Some rules of the mountain building. Using these rules and a model of the future, continental movements, and then it will be predicted with subductions, will transform the present day of geography in the mountain belts. We have seen that in the future that lies immeasurably far away. It's true that the future is far away, but when the Somalia will break away from Africa and drift towards the India in the next 200 millions, we will see the biggest mountain range which will be equivalent and even the biggest from Tibet, because Tibet is known as the biggest and the longest plateau, the frozen plateau on this earth. By applying these mountain formations, we will say that we will lose the beaches, the beautiful beaches of Goa, Mumbai, Gujarat and even Kerala. There would be only mountains with frozen ice. So we can better interrupt or interpret the Earth's paleographic sequences, and this is an important study. Process of the geological past have proved it will get worse with time. Nowadays, many people think that what they are doing is absolutely correct, but it is not, because Mother Earth keeps changing in every 200 million years. So let's wait for 200 million years and let's say, hope for the best that we can, or our future generations, if survive, they can see the biggest event of formation of a Somalia, more bigger, more stronger than any of the mountain ranges ever seen on this earth. Goodbye.